Good morning, guys. So right now we are here in the Gosford station. This is my first time to be here. Coming from Sydney, this is like 1.5 hour train ride. Yeah, you know my bag that this is convertible, so it will help me not to be feeling cold. Next to the Gosford train station is the bus station here. I've seen a lot of destination going to different places here. Some in Woy Woy, Togera. Next to the train station, bus station, is this shop and restaurant. So the way I understand is that Gosford is like a connecting city going to the other beautiful beaches of Central Coast, New South Wales. I just came from work, 2 o'clock exactly, and I get out. I finished my duty and I'm going home now, but there's no place to go because it seems like it is going to rain. I don't know when is the official day of the beginning of winter, but you know, last when I was in Sydney, it was starting to be very cold. I mean, the wind is very cold really, and I think that's the beginning of the winter. Maybe, I'm not sure. I remember before when I was in Dubai, the transition of the weather from winter to summer is really obvious. It's like there is a very strong rain and it's flooding everywhere. Yeah, it's flooding. Oh, wait, there are people. Good afternoon. Yeah, it is flooding there, and sometimes the car can't go in. Also, the shopping mall, there is a water inside, like the IBN Batuta shopping mall. Yeah, there is a water inside the shopping mall. And IBN Batuta shopping mall is one of the it's tiring, huh? It's one of the biggest shopping mall in Dubai, and one of the most visited also. Yeah, but during the transition of the weather, summer to winter, it's raining it's raining and it's flooding everywhere. In the entrance of Discovery Garden where I live, and then in the city center, it's flood everywhere because you know some of the places in Dubai has no drainage system. That is why. Yeah, but like after 2-3 days, the flood is gone and it's back to normal. And like after the day after, it's going to be very hot. That is how it is in Dubai. Passing through. Thank you, sir. Yeah, my buzzer is not working, right? Yeah, I tried to bust this, but it's not working. Tell me how do people find inside the world, and the world just full of strangers. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each others, and the world that's full of strangers. You got to believe in magic. Tell me how the people think. 65 genius ways to make money online on the side today. We're going to start first with the top 10 ways to make serious money online with a long-term focus. If you're looking to build a true online business or start a side business idea that has the potential to truly change your life, and you're not afraid of investing months and years of work into business, this is where you should start. Through my years of experience and research, I've consistently found the following ideas have the best potential to create a steady stream of recurring revenue. They'll take a lot of effort, but if you're willing to put in the work, they could change your life like they have for me. Hey guys, good morning. Good afternoon. It's already 2:30. Actually 2:51. I came from work. I finished my duty at 2 o'clock. I mean like at 1:20 155. I already asked them. I already told them that, Chef, I go, Chef. You go? You off, mate? Yeah, they said like that. Yeah, now I am here. And the wind is cold already, so there is no more chance for me to do scuba diving or snorkeling or swimming in the beach. No more chance because it's very cold. That is why I'm sitting here in the heat, in the sun. Yeah, because the wind is cold. Even the other people, they don't swim anymore. Look at this, empty. Also there is empty. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this camera. Yeah, I think now it's good that, because you know, sometimes if you see the latest previous video, there are some blurry, like I don't know how to focus. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. I just finished my duty and I'm going home now. It looks like going to rain, or maybe it is already raining on that side, but I don't know, man. Yeah, today in the forecast there is a rain, 40% chance of rain, and actually around 2 o'clock, maybe, no, not 2 o'clock, around 4 o'clock, there is a rain in the forecast. So I am going home now. I will be the day off in the coming 2 days, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. But I have no plan. Last week I just came from Sydney. I went to Sydney. Yeah. This time maybe I will just stay at home, do some computer works. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, while waiting, let's ask Siri if it's going to rain. Hey Siri, is it going to rain today?
Yes, we should see some rain for today.
Oh, it's going to rain. We go.